Today, we'll be unboxing the 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M4 chip, 1 terabyte hard drive. Ooh, got a little stain on there from shipping. 128 gigabytes of unified memory. And it's the M4 Max, so very excited. Here we go. That's satisfying. It's been a while since I've unboxed a MacBook. First time on video. Last one I had was a 2015 Intel Mac with 8 gigs of RAM, so this is quite the upgrade. Oh man, that's a great looking box right there. Let's put this upside down over here. And there we go. We got the MacBook. It looks fantastic, and they got this environmentally friendly packaging. So you get less goodies, but it is nicely packaged. It still feels very premium, on par for Apple. Oh, and this just looks fantastic. So let's put this off to the side for right now. Let's see what else we got here in the box. Nice braided cable, MagSafe into USB-C there. And we've got the designed by Apple in California, classic documentation. I don't believe there's a sticker. I did get the nano texture display, so it does come with this nifty little cleaning pad here. Pretty nice of them to include that. And we got the 90-watt charger here, also wrapped up in this nice environmentally friendly packaging, which just looks like some kind of wax type paper or something, but that's pretty much all you get in the box. Nothing fancy. Still feels very premium, I will say. Let's put this off to the side for now. Got the charger, clean and cloth documentation. We got the nice MacBook Pro right here. Oh, feels great in the hand. Very sturdy, very solid build. Fantastic. I have the knife out here because I thought I was going to need to cut something, but I did not. Oh, and this just looks fantastic. Check that out. Fantastic looking laptop right there. It's my word of the day for the day. Fantastic. Look at that. Look at that. One finger opening does work. Wow, and already boots up. Check that out. This little protector stuck on the display here. I'll be real gentle taking that off. Damn. Alright, that nano texture display, I can already see it. It looks great. That looks real good. This was just a quick little unboxing.